Welcome back, PROMATION Nation. In today's video, I'm incredibly excited to deliver the groundbreaking, truly innovative, and next giant leap in laser marking technology by PANDA Robotics. Now before diving in, I'd like to remind you to click that like and subscribe button to stay tuned with all of our latest product launches and new product introductions. Now, without further delay, let's dive in. Starting with the exterior of the machine, the PANDA laser marking cell was brilliantly designed from the ground up. In its remarkable 27-inch touchscreen display, we put programmers right in the driver's seat. Hidden away right behind the PANDA's head is an onboard keyboard and mouse tray used for program and data entry. One of my favorite features behind this powerhouse is the beautifully captured door that allows operators to pull out and slide the door, maintaining access to the interior of the machine. Just below our 27-inch touchscreen is a laser-compliant viewing area that allows programmers to get a first-hand insight into the laser marking process. One of the most brilliant things about the all-new PANDA laser marking cell is that our standard UI software allows us to configure a multitude of different laser heads, ranging from our Light series, a CO2-based laser head, onto an Ed series, our hybrid laser head, into our Pro series featuring a robust UV marking solution. High dynamic vision alignment ensures laser mark repeatability and consistency amongst a variety of different products, while key mark verification can be used as a unique identifier to guarantee that the proper product's been loaded and in the proper orientation prior to marking. Utilizing our overhead Keyence SR1000 series scanner, users can scan and verify hundreds of marks in fractions of a second for rapid reporting. Using our high-velocity internal flip option, users can mark and verify both sides of the board, resulting in a significant reduction in cycle time compared to previous models. The brilliant design of PANDA goes even further by incorporating a FOD retaining wall between the laser marker controller and the PC and the actual marking area. Moreover, two external side vents located on the lower left and lower right of the machine incorporate filters to filter air coming in and filter air going out. As we turn our attention towards the lower half of the machine, we notice that the lower door houses all of our critical components, including onboard PC, Keyence laser controller, and high-speed Ethernet options. Our onboard fume extraction option ensures a clean and safe working environment that all of our operators and all of our production team can enjoy. Perhaps one of the most fundamental differences about the all-new PANDA compared to previous generations and other models in the marketplace is a dedicated I/O and motion control card. Our patented I/O card maintains quality and consistency through a variety of different machine and PC upgrades, while providing a dedicated IP address for all the machine's peripherals, ensuring that there's no loss of productivity when you need it most. Well everyone, this concludes today's video on the all-new and groundbreaking PANDA laser marking cell. If you like this system and would like to learn more, be sure to visit us online at www.panda-usa.com. PANDA Robotics. You belong here.